Mexico is the country of North America. Mexico is also known as United Mexican States. Mexico City is site to the capital of Mexico. Mexico covers the area of about 2 million square kilometers. Mexico has population about 130 million people in the country of this Mexico here. Mexican peso is said to the currency of Mexico here. Christianity is the main religion in the country of this Mexico. Spanish is said to be the official language, the language of Mexico here. Federal Parliamentary Republic is in practice in the country of Mexico here. Whatever I have known from the history of the colonization here, Spain came to Mexico in 1518. In the course of time, they had dominated 100 of years. In the course of time here, Mexico got independence from Spain dated on 27 September in 1821. It is the country of this North America depends on different resources, natural, agriculture, and other works based. So it is the short information for you here.